Hi everyone, so I'm back today to share another journal with you. This journal I've made using my new digital kit called Autumn Apple Harvest, and I will put a link for that below. I've done a 2 signature journal with this one. The kit is actually 25 pages and you can go over and have a look if you are interested. This is also going to be for sale, and I have 25% off all journals at the moment, so I will put the link or the code, the link and the code for that below. But also with this journal, I was meant to get it before I started videoing. Where is it? There it is. So I've done this as a little, well, it was supposed to be a craft with me, but I ended up on the phone and I just carried on making it. So that's a little trifold. You can see the video for that. You'll get that alongside that. And then this was my little design team project for ARTYmaze, using the month of October's freebie kit. So you'll get that and that alongside this. So let's go through this. Sorry, I keep clearing my throat. I've got really bad allergies at the moment. Right, where's that gone? There it is. Right, it is, I'll give you the measurements first. 8 1/4 by 4 3/4, and it has a 1 1/4 inch spine, 2 signatures and 64 pages front and back. That is the back. Fabric on the spine. That is the front. It's been stitched on the cover, and we've got eyelets and this coffee stained, or tea stained, actually it's tea stained fabric. A little bit of black in there because I am now working on another journal. I meant to video this earlier on today, but I was in between doing so many different things today. It was crazy. So this is one of the what I'm going to say about the kit is you get equal amounts of journal pages and traveler's notebook sizes as well, so that way you can choose whether you want to make a big journal or traveler's notebook size. And this is what I used. If you know me, you know I like the TN size journals. So some of these I'm going to be adding as a little add-on kit because I kind of worked on it after I'd made this. So we've got a collage tag there. That's a double pocket. This is one of the pockets from the kit. I think in total we get 12 pockets. Might actually be more than that. I can't remember now. Tag there. And then that's just a stamped tag. Some paper here. Just a collaged giant index card. There is plenty of places to journal. Some ruffle, fabric ruffle, little corner pocket there, another collage tag, little booklet. These are the TN sizes and I just shrunk them down to make little booklets, and little journal card there. You can see I've done some stamping. We've got the bead dangle. Thought that represented like the kind of red from the apples. One of the pages from the kit. We've got a postcard and it's backed onto an index card. Another tag there. Stamped tag. And a big tag. Some more stamping. Centre of the signature, some more stamping. Another one of these postcards. And then that's just a little fold out. And I did kind of tinker about with the sizes when I was printing them. So you can, you know, you can do that if you want to, like I've done. I've used some of them to make little booklets and stuff. So just shrunk them down. Stamping, pocket, journal card, stamped tag, another apple tag, and then this was something that I done after the fact, so it's just some like old ledger with the apple, and then I'll put a frame around that. Some more trim, little fold out there, plenty to journal on, and obviously you can journal on the backs of everything as well. And that just flips up and flips down. onto the second signature. Right there, picking the apples. That was just some paper I had printed off. And another jumbo index card. We have got another journal card, stamped tag, and another little booklet. Bead dangle, some stamping, some squared paper, apple pie. Who doesn't like apple pie? An apple tree. That was just a scrappy piece, and I just made a little booklet with that. That can either go in there or in there. Some more stamping, centre of the signature. In here we've got another little flip out. You can journal on there. And then here we have some more apples. Who doesn't love an apple? It's because I'm on camera and standing up and it won't work. Right. Another apple pie. Bead dangle. Stamping. Another little journal card. Unforgettable moments. Another collage tag. Some trim. Another flip out. And then here we've got, how cute is that? Some more apples. After all, it's all about the apples. And that goes in there, and that is the back. So that is that journal, and like I said, you will get these alongside that. You can, I'll put the videos to these below, and I'm just going to quickly show you what else. I've walked away from the camera, sorry. So we have this grungy journal, and then this is still available, my big chunky gothic journal. That was huge. I spent days on that. So that, and that's got 25% off as well. And there is the made to order journals on there, which is the black ledger journals, and there's a few other little handmade journals on there, so go check it out, and you know, you get a bargain, 25% off. I'll put the codes below, a link to my kit as well, so you can check that out. Everything will be below, and yeah, if you do have any questions, just ask. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.